In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn OneDrive Autosave off. If OneDrive keeps saving files to the cloud when you don't want it to, the most direct way to stop that behavior on this PC is to disconnect the OneDrive app from your computer. That effectively turns Autosave off here without deleting any of your files from the cloud. Here's how to do it safely and clearly. Start at your Windows desktop so we're all in the same place. Look to the lower right corner of your screen on the taskbar. Find the OneDrive Cloud icon. Depending on your theme, it may be white or blue. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the OneDrive icon to open its panel. If you see a small status window, click the cloud icon again to make sure you're focused on the OneDrive controls. In the panel that appears, look for the gear icon to access settings. Click it, then choose Settings from the menu. If you're prompted with another settings option, click that as well to open the full OneDrive settings window. This is where we'll make the change that stops autosave on this device. Inside the settings window, navigate to the left side and select Account. This tab controls how your PC is linked to your OneDrive account. Now click Unlink this PC. OneDrive will ask you to confirm because this action disconnects syncing between your computer and your cloud storage. To proceed, click Unlink Account. That's it. OneDrive is now disconnected from this computer, which means autosave and syncing stop immediately. Your existing files in the OneDrive cloud stay exactly where they are, and the local files on your PC remain on your drive. Going forward, new files you create on this PC won't upload to OneDrive automatically, and edits you make locally won't affect the versions stored online. A couple of tips to keep in mind. If you rely on cloud backups, remember that turning off autosave means you're responsible for backing up important files another way. If you're using a work or school device, some organizations manage OneDrive centrally. If you don't see the unlink option, you may need admin permission. And if you ever want to turn autosave back on, simply open OneDrive, sign in again, and the app will relink this PC